Something's doing.
Okay, that's recording. Okay. Let's head
So
on.
just leave it on?
Yeah, just leave it on. I'm probably not going to be out here long. Y'all better get me to it.
What's the temperature?
20.
Random blizzard.
Just keep it exaggerated. This is JoniDLeo. J Rut, and he is from Texas, Lindale, Texas, as a matter of fact. And if it wasn't for him, I would not be out in this weather. Okay, we're going to go measure it this way. As you can see, the plaza can't see it. Over this way. Howard Light District, there is no one out there.
Or in the hot tub.
Or in the hot tub. Now you really can, now the hot tub might be kind of fun. But the pool, no. As you can see, it is, let's see how deep it is here.